guys, welcome back to my channel, FunsizedStyle. My name is Michaela, and thanks for stopping by. So for today's video, I have a Sweet Sparkle beauty box unboxing. If you're unfamiliar with Sweet Sparkle, you're very new to my channel because this is a very well-known thing on my channel. Sweet Sparkle is a monthly beauty subscription service that's featured around a certain makeup look. So Sweet Sparkle creates a tutorial and makeup look theme that month, and then they include products to help you create that look for that month. It is $21 a month and it's free worldwide shipping. I will have my Sweet Sparkle beauty box info, well not my info, their info down below, and as well you can search on my channel. I'll link the playlist down below if you're interested. There's just a lot of Sweet Sparkle going on. I'm gonna try and lessen the intro on these videos, on the unboxing, because they're just so well known on my channel. But maybe every 2 boxes or every other box, I'll do kind of a longer intro if you're new to Sweet Sparkle. Definitely check it out and go subscribe. It's a great box. I love it. It's very underrated. It's just great. I love it. As you guys know, I'm still catching up because there was a period on my channel where I got really far behind on my Sweet Sparkle beauty box unboxings, and so I'm still several months behind. So these boxes are no longer available anymore, but I will still link Sweet Sparkle and the products included down below. I'm hopefully going to be getting caught up here pretty soon. 2018 is almost over and I'm not even caught up on 2018 boxes. I'll always be playing catch up, but I understand that these are not my most highest rated viewed videos, but I don't care because I love doing them, and Sweet Sparkle is like my favorite subscription. Hopefully get caught up soon and then we'll start fresh hopefully in 2019, but I have a feeling we'll still be playing catch up. But anyways, let's go ahead and see what this box theme was. So here's what the box looks like, and then very much nicer presented, but I peeked to see what theme I was unboxing this time, and they included a new color of tissue paper. It's usually like a light blue or white, but this time they did like a slate gray. It's again usually much more nicely presented, but I just took a peek as to what the theme was, not necessarily the products yet. And then it comes with a card every month, and it has the theme as well as the products that are included in the box. I love this card. It's just very helpful. This box theme was Fire and Desire, which is a very nice theme. I think it's like a really cool theme because I love warm looks. As you can see, I'm kind of going for that a little bit today. I really like this. I think I'm gonna love the products. I create the tutorial based on that theme as well, so that'll be the Fire and Desire makeup tutorial will be in a separate video, of course. Not going in any order. This is the first product that I'm pulling out, and it's very nicely wrapped. This is a product by the brand Kawkawlin Professionals, and this is the Blush Up palette. I actually received this palette in an Ipsy bag a while back. I think it was last year. So I already have this product. Yes, so I already have this product, but I actually don't know where it is, which I don't know how you use a product like this, but I love this palette. This is the Blush Up palette, and I believe I went on their website one day and they had like different ones, and this is the BL753 palette. I will link again everything down below. It's just kind of a bummer that I've already received this in an Ipsy, not Sweet Sparkle, but I love this product and it's a perfect palette for like a Fire and Desire makeup look. I am very excited. Don't think I'm disappointed about this, because if I wasn't subscribed to Ipsy, I wouldn't have got this. So this is a great product. According to the card, this product retails for $9. Another product wrapped up. I think I have an idea what it is. Oh my goodness. Is this not the perfect palette for a Fire and Desire makeup look? Oh my gosh. I seriously could not think of a better palette. How do they pick perfect products every freaking time? I don't understand. But what I like about this is it has like all of the elements of like hot colors, like yellow, orange, and red, like all the elements of like color of like fire. So there's no other perfect palette for a Fire and Desire makeup look. I freaking love this. My hope is that after primer you can build it up, but this is not very pigmented. I hope I'm wrong, and I hope I can make this work and build it up a ton in the tutorial. You can barely see those. This is the perfect like color palette for a, like I said, Fire and Desire tutorial. Could not think of a better palette, but let's hope the pigment is good for the tutorial. According to the card, this palette retails for $4.99, and I forgot that the specific shade of that palette is called the Fab 5 eyeshadow palette, and this is the Beaming Sunrise version. I'm very intrigued about this product. This is the Lucy Pompette Lip Batter. It's the Ultra Lip Plumper Balm and Gloss. This is freaking gorgeous. I don't think I've ever quite seen anything like this. Beauty Guru status here. That is the color. By the way it came out of the tube, I fear that it may be a little sticky. It's super sticky. That's a really pretty product. It's super sticky. Let's hope maybe it'll apply better on the lips, but ooh, I'm nervous. I feel like this is like slowly going downhill. According to the card, this retails for $16.50, and it's considered the Lip Batter 3-in-1 Plumper Gloss and Balm in the shade La La. Okay, I would not pay $16.50 for this. Just saying. Let's hope it applies beautifully on the lips and makes my lips look amazing. The next product that we have is by the brand J.Cat Beauty again. And this is the Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner in black. You gals know how I feel about eyeliner. Won't be using it. I use every product, what's included in the Sweet Sparkle box. I do have a few exceptions of products that I just don't use, no matter what brand it is, and that is eyeliner and eyelashes. If I receive those two products in a Sweet Sparkle beauty box, I don't use them in the tutorial, and then I'll save them for like a future giveaway or something, but other than that, I don't use this, so that's kind of a bummer. For those that love eyeliner, that's a good product. Don't know if I mentioned, but all the products that you receive in a Sweet Sparkle beauty box is full size every single time. And this is the J.Cat Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner in the shade black, like I said. And this retails for $2.99. The last product that was featured in the Sweet Sparkle Beauty Box Fire Desire theme is the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Volumizing Mascara in the shade black. Oh, this is pretty. I don't think I've ever tried a mascara from Bella Pierre. This is really pretty. So here's what the product looks like. The packaging is like very sleek. I'm not going to open it yet because I'm going to wait till the tutorial so it's like fresh, but this looks like a really good product. So that is everything that was included in the Sweet Sparkle Fire and Desire box. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm really impressed with the products. I hope that the eyeshadow payoff is better once I kind of build it up and do the tutorial and all that. And I also hope the lip gloss plumper balm thing isn't sticky once I apply it. I don't know. I think the tutorial would turn out really well. This theme is right up my alley since I love warm toned looks. So I cannot wait to create a Fire and Desire makeup tutorial for you guys, and I will catch you guys in my next video. And be sure to check out the Sweet Sparkle website down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!